Okay, so we're looking here back to powers of sine and cos, but this time we're looking at what happens if the powers are 1. So, start with looking at this red part down here. It says that if you have to take the integral of cos m x, now the next part can be sine or cos, doesn't matter, where m and n are 1. So where the powers of sine and cos, or cos and cos, are 1, then you use product of sums, okay? So just note that when the powers are 1, you use product of sums, and this here in the blue is your product of sums formula. So technically it could be sine and sine, cos and cos, or sine and cos, because they're the 3 possible arrangements we have for the formulas there. So basically we've got an example over here. So if you want to start by pausing the video and get all this down, and let's have a look at this. So it's really straightforward. We can see here that if we have cos A times in by cos of B, we can rewrite it in this format, so that's what we start with. So we're going to have equals the integral of a half out the front of cos 3x minus 2x, so that's that part, plus cos of 3x plus 2x, and that's the next part, dx. I can simplify this. I'm going to bring the half out the front and make my life easier. That's just going to be cos of x plus cos of 5x. And the whole idea with integration and doing all these rules is to turn it into something we can integrate. And that we definitely can integrate. So we end up with a half outside of, and it's indefinite, so I don't need square brackets. Integral of cos is sine, then that'll become a 5th sine 5x. And notice the mistake I nearly just made was realizing the half is timesing by everything. You can times that in. It's not going to make anything too much cleaner though. And there's my answer. It's really straightforward. The whole point of that exercise is to know when you have to do the integral of sine and cos as a combination timesing with each other and the powers are 1, do the product to sum rule. Once you turn it into that, it's super easy. It might be worthwhile having a look on your reference sheet to see if you get these. Like I said, I don't know all the formulas off by heart that are on there, but I'm thinking they do give them to you, otherwise you may have to remember them.